I'm doing it, Frank. I'm finally making passive income online. Just 5 more clicks and I can cash out. Give me that. Let's see your massive wealth empire. No, Frank. My strick. Leo, you have been clicking on online surveys and watching ads for 8 straight hours. And you have earned exactly 14 cents. Congratulations, you are currently making less than a medieval peasant. But the guy on TikTok said it's an easy side hustle. He said I could make 10 grand a month pushing buttons. Okay, so what do I do? I don't know how to code. I have no skills, Frank. I flip burgers at Wendy's.
You speak English, right? You passed high school math? You know how to edit a stupid TikTok video? That is a skill, Leo. Someone out there is willing to pay for it.
Method number 1, freelancing and tutoring. You go to platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You sell your time doing something valuable, managing social media, translating, teaching kids algebra. It's not passive income, you actually have to work. But instead of making 14 cents a day like a hamster, you can easily make 50 bucks an hour.
Okay, fine, freelance. But what if I don't want to deal with clients? I want to be an influencer, Frank. But I have 0 followers.
You don't need followers, kid. You need a ring light. Method number 2, UGC, user-generated content.
Getting sponsored by Suds Pro lets me keep making content for the Freelance Hub. And honestly, my hair has never looked better.
Brands don't want polished, million-dollar Hollywood ads anymore. People skip those.
Brands want a regular guy in a messy room talking into his phone about how much he loves this shampoo.
Wait, they pay for that? But who posts it? They do. You just film a 15-second video, send them the file, and they run it as an ad on their own TikTok. You get paid 150 bucks per video.
If you can make 3 videos a day, that's $450 a day. You don't need an audience, Leo. You just need to not be boring on camera.
Okay, 3 videos a day, that's $450. But I still have to WORK every day. Where is the passive income? Where is my sleep money?
Method number 3, the ultimate cheat code. You build it once and you sell it an infinite number of times.
A Notion template, a workout plan, a meal guide, a custom budget spreadsheet. It costs $0 to duplicate a PDF file.
If you sell a $20 template to just 2 people a day, that's $1,200 a month. To generate that much passive income from the stock market, you would need to have over $250,000 invested.
0 inventory, 0 shipping, 0 shipping. It's digital real estate. Exactly. Now stop clicking that stupid hamster and get to work.
Protect your money, protect your mind. If you want to see the next financial trap you are probably falling into right now,
Click the video right here on the screen. I'll see you there.